Hi everyone, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network, and in this video you will know about types of literals or values in Python. So first we will know that what are literals or values in Python. So literals or values in Python are data that have constant values, and in Python there are four types of literals. The first one is string literals, and also this string literal is of two types. The first one is single line string literal, and the second one is multi-line string literal. And the second type of literal in Python, which is numeric literals, and it has three types. The first one is integer literal, which deals with numbers, discrete numbers or complete numbers. The second one is floating point literal, which deals with, you can say that, literals which are like fractional or exponent type of numbers, which fall into the category of floating point literals. Third one is complex literal, and actually this type of literals contain an imaginary number. So complex numbers, basically they are complex literals. Now third type of literal, which is a Boolean literals, and two types. The first one is true, and the second one is false. So Boolean literals there are only two. The fourth type of literal, which is very special in Python, which is null. So in Python, basically there are four types of literals. I have just explained type of literals. In the upcoming videos, I will explain each type of literals separately. I will make video about string literals, also about numeric literals, and Boolean literals and special literals. These are very simple. So in two or three videos that would be covered. So this was about literals in Python.